guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing really good. So today we are going to see something different from normal. We are going to see a seafood, that's fish, which is rich in nutrients, so which is good. We have to eat fish. So today we are going to see a different kind of fish. So it's a Goan Fish Curry. So normally we are doing curries like normally we do at homes, but this is something different from the normal one. So let's see how we are going to make this Goan Fish Curry in this video. So now take 3 to 5 pieces of fish and you have to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, so which is being added for taste. And now you have to mix it, like you have to let the fish to mix well with this salt, and now you can cover it with the polythene foil. So keep it aside, and now you have to add grated coconut. Add the red chilies, 10 to 12 number of chilies. If you want, you can add more. And 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and add ½ inch of ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, and then 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is really good for health and which add taste. And now you have to add 4 tablespoons of turmeric juice, so which is a mandatory ingredient which you have to add while mixing curries. And now ½ cup of water. So you can see it's all done. So now it's ready to grind. So now you have to grind it well. So you can see now the complexion is really different, and you can see it's so hot. And see how it turned out, the color of the mixture. So now you have to transfer it to a small bowl. You have to chop 1 onion and you can add it to the bowl. And then 2 to 3 pinches of salt for taste. So you have to mix them well. And add 2 to 3 number of chilies, green chilies, that will make the curry more spicy, and it's good for health as well. So you can slice it more if you want. And now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So actually we are like going to fry it. So now switch on the burn. If you want, you can slice the green chilies more, but this is fine. So you have to keep mixing it. Now it's time to add our 4 tablespoons of grinded masala paste, which we grinded earlier. So you can see the color of the grind masala. It looks really nice, and it's really good for our health. And it will be spicy since we are adding many large number of chilies and other spicy ingredients. And now it's time to add 2 cups of water. Salt for taste again. So you have to let the curry, now it will start boiling, so let it boil for some times and then start adding the fish. So in this you have to add the fish once it started boiling. So if you add before that, the fish might break, like it will slice into pieces while you are like mixing it. So then let it cook for medium flame for 5 minutes. So once it's done, you can see the complexion of the curry and the fish. So while you are stirring the curry, don't break the fish. So if you break, the taste of the curry might goes away. So now it's ready. So it's time to serve the Goan Fish Curry. So you can use rice with the rice or pitu or any other food. We serve how to make Goan Fish Curry, which is something different from a normal one, because many of us doesn't like to eat a normal fish curry, maybe the fried ones like there are a variety of dishes we can do from fish, but this is a curry. It's a bit different from normal, as I said earlier. So it was so tasty. The smell, it's really nice. So we have to try it at your home and let us know how it turned out. And your comments really matters us. So let us know what's your favorite dishes and your comments in our videos. So we'll feature your comments and do the dishes for you on our video. So see you next week. Before that, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. Bye bye.